HTML plugins. Plugins are computer programs that extend the standard functionality of the browser. Plugins were designed to be used for many different purposes. To run Java applets. To run Microsoft ActiveX controls. To display Flash movies. To display maps. To scan for viruses. To verify a bank ID. Warning: most browsers no longer support Java applets and plugins. ActiveX controls are no longer supported in any browsers. The support for Shockwave Flash has also been turned off in modern browsers. The object element. The object tag element is supported by all browsers. The object tag element defines an embedded object within an HTML document. It was designed to embed plugins like Java applets, PDF readers, and Flash players in web pages, but can also be used to include HTML in HTML. The embed tag element. The embed tag element is supported in all major browsers. The embed tag element also defines an embedded object within an HTML document. Web browsers have supported the embed tag element for a long time. However, it has not been a part of the HTML specification before HTML5. Note that the embed tag element does not have a closing tag. It cannot contain alternative text. The embed tag element can also be used to include HTML in HTML. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.